today we will be painting this Orc Warrior by GT Studios creation. So let's dive in, let's get into it. I'm gonna work on this Orc Warrior, just primed it. Zeris purple, I think it's called, not sure. Mix it lighter till we get the highlights, mid-tones. Okay, we're doing alright, yeah? Yeah. So we'll just go in and give it from where you want the light, so from the top. Then you've got the chest area. Very subtle. So you can see we've got a bit of a purpley finish there. That's what we want. So I want to add there. Yeah, and then we'll move. Then we'll add the white and work from there. Same mix. We'll get the white, put it in, mix it so it's slightly whiter. We'll put air only. The middle. Just to get it here. Add a bit there. Just on the elbow. Bring when you airbrush, you can bring the airbrush back. It will spread. So if we go to the top here, the light, hitting from the top down. There you go, see that? And you can go a bit lighter because when we add a wash, it will darken the whole thing. So, depending on where you want the light. Yeah, so we'll go up a bit more. Maybe another three paint drops more. Add a bit of the flowing through the. Do this. See that going in? Just bit more extreme highlight. Apologies for the camera there blurring out. Started with this new phone camera I've got. Getting used to it. Bit of spitting going on there. it looks after it's washed. Let it dry so you can see all the light areas. And I just mixed purple and white, just lightly dry brushed over the areas to get the veins out, and then I'll just paint over them. And now we'll move on to painting the metal. So we'll use a lead belcher and we'll just start painting the metal bits. Just start painting through. So yeah, just go over the armor, and then what we'll do is we'll do a technique where we glaze it first, because I want to give this kind of a purpley metal feel like the previous orc we did. Kind of like, I like that look. It worked really well with these kind of models. So yeah, we'll just go around the whole body, all the metal area parts here, and just paint over. Water down your metallics. And okay, we're going to use the glaze, mixed red and blue glaze. Try and get a purpley metal look. We'll use a. That's alright, yeah. So we've painted all the metallic areas. So what we'll do is we'll go over. Just work around the whole model. Now that our glaze is dry, we'll give the metal a wash. We'll use gloss, non-oil. You can use the matte one if you want. I mean, I'm going to matte the whole model. Be pretty generous with it. In the back, all over. Just go all over the model. Create those gaps. Line separations, make sure not to get it on the skin. And yeah, just work around the whole. Just work around the whole body. Okay, we just did like the rust, so we added resin rust and just went around these areas around the edge just to get a bit of rust on. Back to it's a bit rusty. Might give a bit of a wash around here. Might have put a bit too much on there, and might just highlight this bit again to give it that strong highlight. But we'll work on the trousers now. So we're going to use Rhinox oxide, and I'm going to just give a base coat of Rhinox, water it down. Just going to give it a base coat. Very carefully, just once. Thin layers, thinking thin. So I'm just going to go over the whole model. Just make sure you water down your paints. just work your way through the hole.
I appreciate the sentiment, but I'm afraid it's nothing more than a daydream.
I hope that the rain will never stop.
Daydream. Oh, I see. So as soon as it stops raining,
We're going to do a bit of dry brushing on his trousers. We use the XV88 and just going to put a little bit on the brush. Get your tissue here. You can see, take it off. Take off as much as you want. I'll try and wipe quite a bit off. I just want to rub it enough to get to know where the highlights are. So we come here. As you see, I've done a little bit around here. So literally, we're just going to go over lightly, try and avoid the metal parts. So we kind of get to know, and then that's it. Yeah, just go over the whole trousers. Just picks up on the raised areas there. Same with there. Just lightly going over. Around here too. You're just picking out those light areas, and then we'll go back in with a brush and get extra highlights. Just go over the line areas, the areas where the lines are, to bring out those highlights. Using the same XV88, get a little bit of that paint out. Bit of paint, and where the highlights are, as you can see here, just get your paint over it and slowly yeah, most of the work is done for you because you know where the highlights are. Then you just go over very lightly. I like to just work the line first without painting on it, and then slowly, yeah, paint comes on there.